Hi guys, it's your more girl and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a collab. Yes guys, finally I'm doing a collab with Bella D Designs and Angela's Hangout. Hey Angela. So the collab is to do a beverage for the fall. So and also show your Barcart if you have one. So I am going to do this drink that I seen on Pinterest, and what it is Martinelli's. It's their sparkling cider. Yes. So I'm going to do this homemade using these ingredients right here, which is, of course, apple juice, soda. This is a quick, simple, easy beverage to make. It costs about $6 and it only takes 5 minutes to do. So here is all the ingredients I'll be using for this. All right, guys, stay tuned and see how quickly I put this together. All right, guys, it's your more girl. So guys, here it is. Here is my Barcart. So I have everything together and the refreshing drink is done. This homemade apple ciders. And you can see here, I got some cinnamon buns here. It's nice and melted. I warmed them up and I put them here. And also I got this nice core refreshing drink. And you know guys, I am everything silver. You know, you're more girl like her silver. So I'm just going to put this drink in these nice little flutes that I got from the Goodwill. So I'm going to enjoy this. So again, I want to thank Angela. And I want to thank Bella again so much for this collab. It was really fun and it didn't cost that much money to do. So guys, if you had a chance, jump on this. And if not, well, I'll see you at the next collab. All right, guys, it's your more girl.